If you've tried everything to lose weight and nothing seems to work, stay with me because today I'm going to share exactly what helped me lose weight effectively. After testing various strategies, I finally found a natural solution that transformed my metabolism and helped me shed those extra pounds without suffering. So, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel because I'm about to tell you everything. Tip 1. Boost your metabolism with the right support. Many people don't know this, but one of the biggest obstacles to weight loss is a slow metabolism. If your body isn't burning calories as it should, losing weight becomes nearly impossible, no matter how hard you try. That's exactly what I discovered. And to solve this problem, I started using a natural supplement that activates the mitochondria in the body, making fat burning much more efficient. Tip 2. Powerful nutrients for fat burning. Cutting calories alone won't work if your body isn't getting the right nutrients. The key is to use ingredients that truly enhance fat burning. What made all the difference for me was a natural formula containing maqui berry, rhodiola, and amla, which helps speed up metabolism, improve digestion, and boost energy levels. Tip 3. More energy for your daily life. Another big issue I faced was a lack of energy. I felt tired all the time, had no motivation to work out, and was always hungry. That's when I realized my mitochondria weren't functioning properly. With the right supplementation, my energy levels improved significantly, my hunger was under control, and I was finally able to stay focused on my weight loss goal. Tip 4. 100% safe and effective solution. After trying so many failed methods, I finally found a natural solution with no side effects that actually works. The best part? It's plant-based, free from artificial ingredients, and non-addictive. Plus, it's made in the USA with a satisfaction guarantee. In other words, it's a safe alternative for those looking for sustainable weight loss. If you really want to change your life and lose weight without suffering, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. This supplement helped me achieve the results I had always wanted, and I'm sure it can help you too. And the best part? It comes with a 90-day guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Don't forget to comment below what you think of these tips, and if you've tried any similar strategies, see you in the next video. See you soon.